Samsung used to launch its Galaxy S phones at the Mobile World Congress in February, but not anymore. Now, it's hard to guess when the next flagship will come out, because Samsung likes to keep us in suspense. But we have some clues from the rumors and the past launches that can help us figure out when the Galaxy S24 Ultra will be available. Some people on Twitter said they heard it would be in January, and one of them was Ice Universe, who usually knows what he's talking about. He said the phone was already being made and it would be ready by the end of January. Samsung hasn't said anything about these rumors, and they're keeping quiet about their plans. But that doesn't stop people from guessing and sharing what they think they know as we get closer to the Galaxy S24 Ultra's launch date. One thing is clear, Samsung wants to release the Galaxy S24 series as soon as possible. In fact, Samsung has been moving up its launch dates for the last 3 times, starting with the Galaxy S21, which came out in January instead of March or April. So, we expect the Galaxy S24 Ultra to follow this trend and arrive early next year. I think it's a smart move. Samsung can get a head start on Apple by releasing its best phone earlier. Samsung also has to deal with OnePlus, another phone maker from China that keeps launching its phone sooner and sooner. Samsung has to keep up with them. So let's take a look at the calendar. CES 2024 is coming up soon. From January 9 to January 12. Samsung won't show off their new phone there, and they probably don't want to compete with all the other news from the event. Plus, there's a holiday on Monday, January 15th in the US, so that's out. Maybe they'll announce it on January 16, but I think January 17 is more likely. Then we have to think about how long it takes for Samsung to get the phone ready for sale. If they can do it in a week or two, we might see the Galaxy S24 Ultra in stores by January 26, but that's a big if. More likely, it'll be February. Samsung usually waits 2 weeks between announcing and releasing their phones, so it seems hard to believe they'll do it faster this time. That means the earliest we can expect the Galaxy S24 Ultra is the end of January or the beginning of February. Samsung will probably launch the Galaxy S24 Ultra with the Galaxy S24 and Galaxy S24 Plus. The Ultra should have the best features, like a super smooth 144Hz screen, a titanium body, and a new 50 megapixel zoom camera. The Ultra models from Samsung usually have a 6.8-inch display, and we think the S24 Ultra will be the same. According to Ice Universe, S24 Ultra will have a super bright screen. It can go up to 2,500 nits, which is way more than the 1,750 nits of the S23 Ultra. Samsung changed the camera of the Ultra model a lot this year. It replaced the 108 megapixel main camera with a 200 megapixel one on the Galaxy S22 Ultra. We don't think there will be another big change. As for the processor, the S24 Ultra and the S24 Plus might get a special version of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you on the next one.